Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your VTech baby monitor keeps beeping repeatedly, it can quickly become stressful, especially when you're trying to rely on it for constant monitoring and peace of mind. The beeping sound is not random, it's usually a built-in alert system letting you know that something needs attention, such as low battery, connection loss, out-of-range signal, or a specific setting that has been triggered. The challenge is that the sound itself doesn't always clearly explain the cause, which can leave you guessing. Instead of ignoring it or turning the volume down, it's important to identify the exact reason behind the beeping and fix it properly. In this video, I'll walk you through a clear step-by-step process to stop the beeping and get your VTech baby monitor working quietly and reliably again. Try these. 1. Check the battery level of both the parent unit and camera and charge them fully. 2. Move the parent unit closer to the camera to avoid out-of-range alerts. 3. Restart both the monitor and camera to refresh the connection. 4. Check alert settings and turn off unnecessary sound notifications. 5. Ensure there is no signal interference from other wireless devices nearby. 6. Reset the monitor to default settings if the beeping continues,